Good morning, friends. Welcome to the Bank Opportunity Worldwide. My dear friends, welcome to the Bank Opportunity Worldwide concept. And who am I? This cloud be the first question that come to your mind. So before we move ahead, let's get ourselves acquainted. Friends, why are we here today? Curiosity, out of respect, we may have several reasons to meet. Perspective. We many have different perspectives. Bottom line, the basic point is prosperity. Friends, how much? Make up your mind yourself. Job, your monthly income in 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. You're self employed, your income 1 lakh per month to 5 lakh per month. And business, your 1 million per month and above. Any. Friends, let's think. Your social contacts. Your social contacts 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000. But on an average in 5,000. What if you get earn in 1 month? Let's think your city, your town in 50,000 to 500,000 on an average 1 lakh. What if you get earn 1 month your district community 100,000 to 1 million on an average 5 lakh? What if you get earn 1 per month? You may think, why would anyone pay me any amount per month? It's impossible and never happened anywhere. Is this some kind of joke? Is this magic? Dear friends, we all pay minimum 10 bucks to someone every month and every month and every month. But can you guys home? Let me help. Brushing teeth. Can you avoid brushing teeth? Earning of these honors in Colgate, Close Up, Bubble, toothpaste, Vico, any. Amazing. What if the follow is reversed? No. But just calculate. From 500,000 peoples, you get earn 1 piece per month. Yeah, what if earn 1 per week? Yeah, and if earn 1 per day, what if one increase to 2, 3, 5 or 10? When it is possible with just 3 to 5 years of your commitment. My dear friends, how social media, million of people connected around the world, but e-commerce, majority of them are involved in online shopping. Social media, Twitter 3 to 9 million plus users, WhatsApp 1.3 billion users, Instagram 1.0 billion plus users, and Facebook 2.26 plus billion plus users. But who was the first user in your country? No. Who was the first in your city? I don't know. Who introduced you to this platform? I know. Who all did you introduce? Nothing. But e-commerce Amazon, Alibaba.com, eBay, Flipkart, any. When was the first online purchasing in your country? No. When will be the last? No. Missing point. The social media. Millions of people are connected globally but not channelized. And second, the e-commerce. Consumers can only spend without any earning opportunity. Bridging the gap. The three concepts in the good choice. Eonet, the bank, and one app. Friends, start the Eonet. Eonet is a good concept and worldwide business plan. Eonet in concept in England, UK. Eonet your profile. This is details your profile image, cover image, and status. The next relation, view and manage your followers and contacts. And again, next channels, view and manage your personal channels. This type in Facebook. Globally search people from all around the world and start following. You profile action, image. Tap here to update your profile and cover image and status. Tap here to edit and update your status. Search, the here to search people from around the world and others. Tap on a count or a button to proceed with the respective activities. Profile setting, access only you can access with your predefined access code. Social, view and manage your social profile. Privacy, manage availability of your information to public. Personal, view and manage your personal profile. Security, manage your password, access code, and other performance. Eonet community, Eonet community की home, view post of the people whom you follow. Clubs, view post of the clubs you have joined. Global, view post of people from all around the world. Filters, filter posts as favorites, exclusive and trendings. Posts, tap here to create new posts. Imaging post, add an image from gallery or snap a new photograph. Edit image, explore your creative skills, zoom, rotate, crop and resize the image as desired in Eonet app. Stickers, explore the library of 1000 of stickers in various categories and add to your image. Text and doodles, add colorful text and doodles to your image. Videos, post, add a video from gallery or record a new one. Dubbing, add audio to your recorder from gallery or explore $1,000 of tracks in various categories. Effect filters, explore real-time dynamic filters to create amazing effects in your video post. Color filter, add colorful effects to video from the varieties available. Publish your post as published, exclusive or private. Post reaction, like, comment, make, favorite and share a post. Video post, view all video posts of a user by tapping. Imaging post, view all image posts of a user by tapping. Invite, use share and invite to invite friends to Eonet. Eonwave, video, view and share video in various categories. Audio, share and enjoy music from all around the world. Albums, create, share and view beautiful photo albums. Channels. Subscribe channels of your favorite users to enjoy the video, audio and album shared by them. Ion Chat. Audio video calls. HD quality audio and video calling with facility to access chatting while on call too. Chat list. View the recent unread message and jump directly to an individual or group chat. Secure contacts. Your contacts are visible to you only. No one else can either access or view detail. Private chat. More secure chatting as the message get destroyed automatically according to the time set by you. Ion Chat. Wallpaper. Set various wallpaper for every individual or group chat. Files. Send image, sticker, GIF, audio and video files. Doodles. Express yourself by creative handwriting doodles. Emoticons. Add emojis and emoticons to spice up your days. Ion Cloud. Secure access. Protect with unique access code now to you only. Summary. The report of utilized and available cloud space. Hot storage. Spread folder for various file type. File can be shared from this storage. Cold storage. The place to place your important personal files. The file is these folders can't be shared with anyone. Folders. Create and manage as many folders as you wish. List view. View files in list. Go to grid view by tapping. Grid view. View files in grid. Go to list view by tapping. Manage files. Long tap on a file and the lock. Delete, download, share, edit or more a file from the toolbar. Subscription. Access. Tap here to go to subscription activities. Only you can access and manage your subscriptions. Purchase. Tap here to proceed for purchasing license. Orders. Enter the desired license and currency. Accept the terms and tap here to check out. Payment gateway. Check out with PCI DSS complement secure payment gateway. License. View and manage the license you have purchased. Subscription. View the detail of your active subscription here. Receipt. View receipt of the subscription by tapping here. Standard. Euro 40 annual and Euro 5 monthly for 50 GB storage. Premium. Euro 400 annual and Euro 50 monthly for 500 GB cloud storage. Bring the gap. The next is concept in the bank. The bank. The Bank Scotland UK. The Bank features virtual office. This is your office working 24/7/365 to assist you in performing the following tasks at your fingertips. Operations. Helps you to monitor your business operations anytime from anywhere around the world. Accounts. Works as your accountant and manage all the inflow and outflow accessible only to you. Assistance. Prepare real-time and analytical reports of your business and helps you to decide areas of concentrations. Activities. The recent. View your business activities of today and yesterday. Last week. Your business activities in the last 7 days. Last month, business activities in the last 30 days. Last quarter, check your performance in last 90 days. Geographical reports. Tap here to view geographical report of activities in a period. Individual process. Evolution. The basic information about evolution of your forum. Pioneers. Count of the netizens who were invited by you to Yonet and they got channelized with you. Gold medal and slab. Status of the count and day for global medal as well as detail of your reward slab and locking period. Initial pioneers. Details of the first and second pioneer of your from you can view all by tapping on view more. Imperial Club. Information of your Imperial Club with your position, followers and vacant position in the club. Gold race. Status of the count and period of gold race for you to win gold rewards up to Euro 600,000. Gold rush. Status of your gold rush to win gold reward up to $600,000 once again. The pride. Status of counts and other details of the most presentation. Felicitations for you at the bank. The pride reward. Team process. Access. Only you can access with your predefined code. Elevation. Summary of the form of netization channelized with you and your netizenship career. Pacemakers. List of the most community netizens in your forum who impact your gold rewards achievement. Stemma. Detailed information of netizens in your both forums. A, B. Tap here to view next tier or search to get position. Topography. View the expanse of your forum around the world. Tap on a country to view state-wise information. State. Status of your forum in the states of the selected country. Tap on a state to view city-wise details. Cities. Accidents of your forum in the cities of select state. This helps you plan strategies in the base of your forum. Conversation. Analyze of your forum status and business on yearly basis. Tap here to view monthly report of a particular year. Accounts. Access. Only you can access account with your predefined access code. Rewards. All the individual forum and club rewards generated are created here in real time. Payouts. This is the report of withdrawal and redemptions. Tap here to submit a withdrawal request. NCAL. Dreams. Detail and your status of upcoming dreams. Events. Information about events and online registrations. Gallery. Official video and photographies of NCAL are available here. Notifications. All the official notifications are published here. Thanks the bank. And next, one app. One app is a good concept in next time. What is one app? One app England UK. Features. e-commerce portals featuring popular brands. Manufacturers put their products up for sale. Joyful shopping. Shopping with your DB reward points. Database. Your netizens' fortune is utilized as a channelized database in cultivating the purchasing power of the netizens for you. Today, reality, database, internet, suffering, shopping, communications. You are only a part of someone else's database. Create a new reality. Database My Virasat. Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Olo, Mantra, among ShopCloud. One app. Imagine the impact of your own database of 5 lakh netizens. Let's resume shortly. This is the begins. Thanks to all my friends and happy journey. Jai Da Bank, Jai Yonet, Jai One App.